Hi everyone, and I am back with Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Holiday Advent, and we are on day 18. We are really counting down the days. So let us see what day 18 holds. And there we go, another Pinkies. This Advent really had a theme. Look at that, it's got some oranges in there. So I'm going to lay it with the other colors and pick them up. There we go. So there we go. There's that new one. And you can see that it does match a lot of the others. So definitely a lot of them are very much alike. So that is a beautiful bouquet of colors. I really can't wait to cast it on. I'm thinking of crocheting the pattern that we were given for the Advent. I just haven't had time to do it. I have so many other things on the needles and on the hook. So hopefully I'll get to it. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.